Wow! Welcome aboard to my castle. Is everybody ready to race? Come on, people! Start your engines and start this shit! 3, 2, 1, let's go! Wow! 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 Fuck yourself, Cold. Wow! Okay, everybody, let the madness begin. Map number 3 at Steezel's Castle. Hey, what the fuck is wrong with you? Are you trying to deport me, Kathleen? Don't be a shit, because one day, fuck yourself. Okay, I'm gonna get you this time. Oh my god! Mavide Gatsby, you son of a dog! Or Jared Chase, or Connor, or Sean. You're in your warrior bike, but you're so pathetic. There's no way that you're gonna defeat me. Watch this, because I got a special plan and I'm not afraid. What in the name of God? You better fuck yourself. Whoa, what the fuck? You're a fast racer, dude. Congrats. I hope you are. Takinga mo! Kaya gawin eh! Takinga mo! Sinabi ko sa'yo, huwag ka naman yung gago! Ikaw talaga yung fast racer ko? Takinga mo talaga? Takinga mo! Ay, nako. Mga gago, mga ewan, mga buisit, mga ewan. Takinga mo! Mga bobo ka, mga gago ka. Litter bug, ano to? Mga mushroom na nilagay dyan. Takinga nyo sa sarili mo. Kahit kung yan na rin ikaw, Justin, oh, thank the Lord. Oh, that was a close call. Thank the Lord. Oh, my shit. Bullshit. Takinga mo. Lalo na ikaw, Rapid Tulfo. Tantado ka. Ikaw naman, Sam Duterte. Pinagpuisin mo ako. Takinga mo. Ano ba kayo, mga era, mga tao, mga tanger, mga putay nga kayo. Ay, naku, mga bobo ka kasi. Normally, we're supposed to be speaking English. Pero na yun, nagdala rin. Hindi mo tagal na kaya putay mo, Sir Joy. Takinga mo, Teacher Joy. Sir Ray. Sir Roof, ba? Sir Raph. Takinga mo. Mga gago, mga epal, mga puisit, mga ewan. Hoy, tarantado ka. Takinga mo sa sarili mo dahil may star power na ako, mga squatter. Takinga nyo. Mga gago, mga epal, mga puisit, mga tarantado. Mga putay ka kayo. Tarantado ka, President Duterte. Ikaw talaga aming fast racer ko. Binibilib ko, I swear to God. Takinga mo sa sarili mo. Takinga mo. Mga bobo ka. O hindi ako gamitin. Tarantado, sino may lighting count? Alis ka na dyan, mga buisit ka. Takinga mo din. Hoy, tarantado ka, President Duterte, mga salbuisit. Mga salbay ka. Takinga mo, mananalo ako, mga gaw, mga epal, mga buisit, mga tanger. Mga putay ka kayo. Oh, bobo ka. Short na ako, mga gaw. Tarantado. Walang kwenta lang talaga yun. Oh, thank you. Okay, President Duterte. Wow! Kasta lang naman yun, President Duterte. Ano ba yan, Ma'am Cathy? Tayo ka, Ma'am Cathy. Gago, Ma'am Cathy. Gago, wala ka lang. Kung saan na dapat, kung wala ka na dito, alis ka na dito sa buhay ko. Tayo mo. Dahil ako mag-fast racer ka. Kung maging fast racer ka, tayo mo sa sarili mo. Sabihin mo kay Sir Albert. Sabihin mo kay sa polis. Sabihin mo kay Rapid Tulfo. Siya yung putay na sila. Buah! 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 Takinga mo! Mga bobo, mga gago, mga epal, mga buisit, mga tarantado, mga putay ka kayo! Cheers! Mag-soft drinks na tayo, mga putay nga kayo, mga buisit kayo. Inom na, paikots! Tol! 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 Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Oh. Rafi, you did something wrong. Ma'am Cathy, I did not do anything. Oh. Ma'am Cathy, I did not do anything wrong. What's up? Oh. Listen. Nagmura ka ba o wala? Sure, Ma'am Cathy, si Rafi nagmura. Hindi siya matitigil. Kahit na pinasabihin ko siya, wag siya magmura. Nagmura pa siya rin. Di siya pinatigil sa mga bibig niya. Oh, Rafi, that is so, ha? That is so. But, Ma'am Cathy, I did not curse. I swear to God, hindi ako nagmura. Oh, your friend reported. You cursed! Taking mo, Ma'am Cathy? Oh! Don't say bad words to me. I am your principal. And with that, I will take your soft drink, Rafi. You will never get it back. Rafi, you will never get your soft drink talaga. This will be permanently mine. Unless the game is over and you behave furthermore. Rafi-chan, no more soft drinks. Because every time you play this game, you always laugh, you always brag, you always look weird. You are weird in front of the people in the camera. Rafi, look at your viewers. They're watching you right now. And you keep on saying bad words. Oh, ito po, ma'am. Si Rafi, palagi siya naglaro, palagi siya nagmura, at magsabi ng mga putay nga. There was one time po, Ma'am Cathy, si Rafi, dahil sa super galit niya, minumura niya si Kyle, minumura niya si Jeremy, minumura niya kayo, tapos si Teacher May. Talaga, Rafi. Oh, Rafi. Sige. You curse. I will not let you play Mario Kart Wii anymore. Look what you're doing now in your Mario Kart game. You're giving us a headache. You're giving us bad influence. You are now 24 years old and you are not even behaving. Rafi, what are you doing? Sige, now that's the periodical test. You will copy. Tainga mo, Ma'am Cathy. Putainga mo. Yay! Nothing gets going by the principal. I'm happy. Go fuck yourself. Whoa! Yeah! Buttercup! Whoa! Whoa! Ma'am Cathy, what's the hold up? Be quiet. Bro, are you there? Can you please help me? Oh, Rafi. Rafi. Ma'am Cathy. Kyle. Thank goodness you're here. What are you doing here? I heard you cursing. Ma'am Cathy didn't like it. Do you want one day you'll be reported to the police? That's why Ma'am Cathy got so mad at you. But to be honest, bro, I don't have my soft drink anymore. What will I do? Ma'am Cathy confiscated your soft drink, diba? That means you must stop that evil laugh. That's one. Correct! Kyle, sabihin mo kay Rafi, huwag siya magtawa, ha? Kung magtawa na naman siya, he will copy. Sige po, ma'am. Rafi, come here. Yes, Teacher Cathy? I have a question, Ma'am Cathy. Am I gonna copy the entire periodical test in math? Oh, you will copy. Pero Rafi, you promised to me several times na when you play Mario Kart Wii, hindi ka magmura, hindi ka magsabi ng bad words, hindi ka magmura sa president, at hindi ka magsisigaw, at hindi ka matatawa kapag nanalo ka. So Rafi, will you please promise to us that you will play fair and square in front of all of us, and including to your viewers out there? Will you promise to behave? Yes, ma'am. Are you sure? Yes po. Are you sure, you're sure? Yes po. Talaga ba? Ikaw naman, ma'am? Oh, Huwag ka na maging masaya. Seryoso to. But Ma'am Cathy, can we just move on to the next race? Answer my question first. Will you promise to behave? Yes. You sure? Why? You know the answer. You know the answer pala eh. So behave. Or else you will copy the entire periodical test. Good morning, everybody. I'm Ma'am Cathy, Rafi's school principal, and I'm here to choose the next race. Oh, Rafi, this is what you will be doing now. For your training exercise, you'll be racing here in my Galaxy racetrack. Pero, Rafi, you misbehave even once, your game is forfeited. Understand? Furthermore, you will copy the entire periodical test. Yes, ma'am. Let's go! What in the name of the Lord Jesus? Ma'am Cathy, what are you doing here? Whoa, excuse me. Sorry, ma'am. Whoa, what the fuck? Well, that's okay. I think I understand why sometimes this happens. Sometimes it can be rowdy at first. But I just have to focus. So yeah, just like what Casey said, focus ka lang. Focus lang. We can do this. Hey, why would I need that here? I can't use that here unless I strategize it very well. Okay, here I come. Can my shortcut trick pursue? The answer is, what in the name of God? Whoa. But to be honest, I can't even, whoa, what in the, Jordan Matter, Steve Harvey, Kuya Kim, ano na? Whoa, that's so weird. I think they could be my fast racers after all. But I'm not telling you that's true. Maybe it's confirmed that Bowser is a fast racer. Whoa! Maybe my dream came true. It seems like Steve's a fast racer. Even Yana Castillo. Or Zach. Whoa, what the fuck? Whoa, I shouldn't have done that. Sorry. Whoa, what the? Yo, Thor, what are you doing here? Don't you dare give it a score. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. But I can already see who those fans. Whoa. Whoa. Sorry. What am I gonna do with that? Never mind. Whoa, what was that noise? Whoa. What in the name of the Lord Jesus? Stop me, please. Thank you. Whoa, that was so close. At least I used my shell to beat Andrea. That Andrea, or that Reina, or that Layra, or that Kreia, or that Jillian. What in the name of the Lord? I meant never mind. Or that Tinia. What? Why am I mentioning those names? Or that Sanmei, or that Giselle. Why did I get them? Nah, never mind. Or that Bianca. Whoa. Whoa, that was a close one. But don't worry, I'm still fine. Getting there. Okay, one last lap. Let's do this. Down, right, up. Take it away. Let's fly. Whoa, what's happening to the others? This makes it so hard for me to determine who my fast racers are. I thought it was Ma'am Cathy, then President, then Steezel, and then Rafi Tulfo, and then Jordan Matter. Who's next? Whoa, what in the... Oh, thank you. What in the... Oh, okay, now I can sense something. Great. Bananas! Lucky. Oh my god, what was that noise? Whoa, that was scary. Speed up, get up, turn around, and we're almost done. Okay, one more speed booster, and we're done. Yes! Yeah! See, Rafi? It's better when you play like that. Play the game quietly, no bad words, no hurtful remarks, and just calm down. That is a good solution, Rafi, okay? Remember, Rafi, win or lose doesn't matter. And when you play, zip your mouth. Okay lang kung magsasalita, pero wag naman yung super impulsive, okay? Tandaan mo yan. Okay, Rafi? Yes, ma'am. Next race, here we come. Hey, hey! Yeah, ha, 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 ha! We're moving on to map number 5. Yeah, ha, 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 ha! Welcome to the mountain. The bear went over. Yeah, hi! This is the mountain where... Oh, thank goodness, Brother Paul, you're here. We're back at Mount Sinai where we can take a rest. Thank goodness. Let's do this. Let's hit the road. Whoa. Now let's relax and see who my fast racers are. So therefore, Wario is fast, but I don't think he butts in that much. Whoa. What in the name of God? Hey, I noticed something kind of weird today. 3 of my friends are copying my fast motorbike. And I can see who's that. It's Kurt, Auntie Rachel. Whoa, 2 people are copying my fast motorbike. What in the name of the Lord Jesus are they up to now? That's my number 1 question. And why is that so? Except for my Joa, who's my fast racer, who is the leader of this racetrack, and she didn't copy my fast motorbike. I do not know why. Oh! Whoa, thank goodness for the lightning bolt. If it weren't thanks to that, I would have been put into big, ow! Thank you. Whoa! I can see Ivory Love with her dad. Aw, this is so legit. Ivory Love is racing with her dad. See you there, Martin Rivera. Whoa, she's in the cart, I'm in the bike. Whoa. Whoa. That Princess Alia, that Naomi Park, what is she up to now? LOL. Whoa. Thank you. I knew it. It's confirmed. Steezel is a fast racer. It's confirmed. I saw him ever since in the first place. He's definitely a fast racer. Confirmed. And at least I got my dream that Bowser's really a fast racer. Excuse me, sir. Whoa! Imagine if it were the, oh. It's okay. Look who's after me now. It's Everly. Hi, Everly. Okay, we're getting there. Whoa. Whoa, that's Hannah's dad. Or Selina's dad. Or Princess Alia's dad. Or Gia's dad. Gia's dad! Oh my god, Gia Misha! What in the name of the Lord Jesus? What? I can't wait to watch The Voice Teens later. Because of that shit! Spectacular! Now I already know. Spectacular! Now I already know who my fast racers are. My fast racers are Teacher Kathy, Gia Misha, and her dad. Whoa! Kyle Guila is gonna catch up. What did you say? You're about to catch up now. Very good, Rafi. Saying good words to people. Don't say anything bad to people, huh? Remember, Rafi, language is an important factor when you play the game. Understand? And again, I talked with your church pastor. Excuse me, ma'am. I'm Rafi's brother in church. There were times that he misbehaves, but I just hope he listens this time. Oh, you train Rafi, huh? He has to be a good person. He must be a good influence. He underwent my training, and now it's your job to teach him what is right and to let him distinguish right from wrong. You help him, okay? What's your name? Cassius. Cassius. Okay. Rafi, Cassius will guide you na, ha? But I don't think Aya Cassius is a fast racer right now. Even though, listen, okay? When your friends tell you it's a bad video, don't make it, okay? Listen to us. Listen to us. If you want to make a good video, yo, bro, I think I have tips for how you're gonna make a good video. Watch this. Kinsley, what are you doing? Oh, no. I have a plan. Watch this. Do you remember map number 6? What map number 6 are you talking about, man? Welcome aboard to my volcano, and whoever wins the Banner Cup! Let's dig it down. Let's go! Some idiotic people never learn their fucking legit lessons. I just don't know what, nor how. Whoa, great. Whoa, what's happened to the babies? I thought the babies were my fast racers. Now what's up with them? Hey, what the fuck? What's happening to baby Travis or baby Ranger? Why isn't he a fast racer? Whoa, what in the name of the Lord? Oh, thank goodness, it's just a fucking legit cow. What would I care? Never mind. Let's go! Which way now? I think let's try this way. Be very careful now. Okay, Monster Jam. And 2. 1 more to go. Rest! Away from me, losers. Nyahahahaha! Wahahaha! Never mind. Oh! Whoa, why did I get the lightning bolt? No, never mind. Alright, Lisa Sharon Cuneta. There's no way that you're gonna catch me now. Nyahahaha! Wahahaha! You fucking assholes. You legit losers. There's no way that you're gonna defeat me now. Nyahahaha! What the fuck? Why did I fall down the trap? Somebody stop me! Whoa! Alright! Alright, oh! That's gonna hurt. But don't worry, I got a sufficient plan. And I'm not afraid to use this one. And if other racers will win, it's... Whoa! I was about to say a sentence, yet this happened. Hey! Hey, Aya Domingo! What do you think you're doing there? Ta-ino mo mga kati! Mulis ka dito! Salbay ka! Ta-ino mo! O ta-ino mo! Dito na ako sa third lap, pagmura! Kailangan ko pagmura ng walang kwenta! What the fuck? Ano ba to? Mga bardago na naman kayo? Puntay na kayo! Dito na kayo sa final lap, parang squatter racing na kayo? Hindi tayo mag-English? Dahil na yun, dito na si Ay! Puta! Ino mo! Mega smasher ba ako? Kapatay mo ako? Puta! Ino mo! Lahat yung karma ay nasa sayo din? Ino mo! Mga gago! Mga epal! Bobo! Mga buisit! Mga tartado! Mga puta na kayo! Hoy mga gago ang sino panalo! Mga ewan kayo dyan! Ino mo! Ay, right! Sakit! Ow! Sakit na naman to! Mga gago! Mga buisit! Mga tartado! Hoy! Bilisan nyo! Huwag na tayo mababal! Ino mo! Dito na ako sa finish line para umabot na kayo, guys! Fuck that shit! Fuck! Oh! Rafi? You lost! Then you curse! So, you deserve a punishment! Punishment? Ino mo mga kati! Putay ka mo! Nakita mo to! Nakita mo to! Nakita! Oh. Showing the bad finger in the camera, ha? Sige. Confirmed. I will tell Teacher Joy. You will copy the entire periodical test in math. I will get your punishment. So does that mean I will not play Mario Kart anymore? No. No more Mario Kart B. Ever. Yay! Hey, Mario. Don't listen to your principal. Listen to me. Because bad words are fun. And I love hearing your bad words, Rafi. Even the putay ka ba? Well, to be honest, Please comfort me because I've been scolded by my principal. That's okay, Rafi. I'll give you a hug. Ah, hot baby. Wow! Wow! Yeah! Banner Cup! Wow! Wow! Goodbye, Rafi! So long in your wildest dreams, bitch! Wow! Tainga mo, President Duterte! Umalis ka na! Umalis ka na dito! Tainga mo! Huwag na tayo magpakailangan!